Standard multi-touch UIs perform poorly for crowd interaction. High levels of noise cause frequent accidental activation of widgets. Concurrent taps frequently conflict and compete for activation. And users are often unaware of each other's actions until it's too late. Despite being eager to learn, our crowd is frustrated and gives up. Introducing FlowBlocks, a novel UI for crowd interaction. The FlowBlocks UI has been developed for an exhibit across a year of rapid iterative testing and evaluation in our partner museum. We will describe the application's functionality as we illustrate the core components of FlowBlocks. FlowBlocks are built around the simple idea that the basic input primitive of point and touch is replaced with point, drag and drop. This simple change in the physical primitive gives rise to a set of widgets which replace those of the standard GUI and are significantly more appropriate for crowd interaction. In FlowBlocks, all UI widgets consist of a series of blocks and docks. Blocks represent parameters and docks represent actions. Actions are activated through dropping a block over a dock. For instance, dropping the chimpanzee over the navigation dock causes the shown tree structure to zoom in. This structure is called the Tree of Life, which depicts the evolutionary history of all life on Earth. Two species can also be compared, which provides information about the common ancestor, when they diverged in time, and what shared traits they have inherited from their common ancestor. FlowBlocks convey the proper usage through interactive feed-forward. Tapping or touching a block instructs the user to drag the block. Once dragging, several guides show possible actions that can be performed in this parameter. In our exhibit, users can either find a species in the tree or learn about the relationships of two species. Docs also explain the meaning once tapped or touched. Interference and unconstructive actions regularly occur during crowd interaction. Path constraints and relative guides provide UI designers with a way of constraining uncoordinated actions and to reduce visual clutter.
Okay.
This can facilitate constructive interaction despite high levels of interference. Actions that require common consent can be designed to cross shared space. This gives participants the chance to anticipate an incoming action and to intervene. With FlowBlocks, constructive interaction is possible despite the chaos of crowd interaction. Our crowd is happy and engages in collaborative learning.
Very good.